chanting softly or quietly, thinking of Krishna's feet. This is recommended. But feet means his form, rupam, rupdyan. And the feet are the recommended place to begin with. So much kripa is there, so much dust is there, and everything is there. Even the kunkum, dehi parapalava mudaram atapam. Krishna is begging, smara gara lakandanam. Oh Radhaju, oh smara gara lakandanam. Mama shirasi mandanam. Dehi parapalava mudaram atapam. He's in Gita Govinda, Krishna ji is saying, oh Radharani, please, your lac anointed, beautiful, dainty, sweet lotus feet, that red lac on the bottom. Please, Mama Shirasi Mandanam. Mandanam means bhushana, ornament. Please ornament my forehead with your feet and leave your tilak there. May I have Radha tilak. What is Radha tilak? It's Radharani's right foot, Radharani's left foot on Krishna's forehead. It's also Urdhva Pandra. It's also going up. Urdhva Pandra. Vaishnava wears Urdhva Pandra. So Radha's feet are vertical like this. So the beginning meditation is you meditate on the Yugal, Radha Govinda Yugal. Or first Krishna, then Radharani's feet. The color, the shape, the design, the softness, the fingernails, the radiance, and then the symbols. And then from there, the form. Once I asked my Gurudev, I said, what form of Krishna should we meditate on? A favorite deity or Thakurji, Radharaman or whatever, or our own Thakurji. He said, when you close your eyes, the form of Krishna you see, that form you should meditate on. And I said, it's not so like I just close my eyes and I see the form of Krishna. He said, oh, really? Like, what's your problem? Because he's seeing like that. So I said, okay, I'll work on that. So I've been doing that, seeing what comes. So now seeing, now nearest where the artistic talent comes in, the power of visualization. Visualization, sporty, meditation, visions, they're all part of the same package called smaran. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. So you're hedging, your idea is going correctly because your life is sincere and your practices are sincere. So Krishna's Tesham Sarata Yuktanam Vajratam Prati Purvagam Dadame Buddhi. He's giving intelligence. Prabhupada once said that intelligence is in one purport, intelligence is the form, direction of the Supersoul. Beautiful. Buddhi is the form, direction of the Paramatma. So Paramatma is here. And for the devotee, he gives good intelligence, subuddhi. He says, discriminate. Intelligence means discriminate. Accept, this is good chanting. This is good for you. Do this. You don't need to do this. So he gives the buddhi. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. So visualization, because even when you were saying that you're some teachers, they are already saying, yes, you should visualize, or try to see this, or try to see that. It's already, you're there. So they should, what are you, oh, you're doing this? And then they just take what, it's like taekwondo or something. They take your energy, and you attacked me, and I just kind of go go with your flow, and let you, fall on your own head with your own energy. I just, instead of hitting me, they use, this is a Chinese boxing technique or something. So you already, you have the tools with you to do what you have to do. Because you're a painter, and your subject is Radha and Krishna, or Gauranga, whatever. So you meditate, especially I would say your japa, it could really enrich your japa and your expression of your art are almost like symbiotic. So any particular painting you're working on, that's your japa. You're chanting and say, okay, I'm trying to make this scene of Radharani in Radhakund and Madhyan Leela, and she's hiding in the golden lotus flowers. And I just read in Bhavanamrita and Krishna, Govinda Leela Amrita, and other books, and that she's there like this, and Krishna's looking for her. So what mood is on our face? Depends on how talented you are an artist. Otherwise, you all have the same smile, whatever. And there's one lady in Vrindavan paints. They all have the same smile, but there's really nice colors. I don't know that lady. That lady. She's very attractive, but it's a little thing. It takes a lot of talent to really be a up there artist. So the bhav, so your chanting can be that. Your artwork is a subject of your chanting. And the visualization, you're trying to visualize, because now it's like, some lines drawn on the canvas of a piece of the pencil. You're like, oh, Krishna, what colors? How do you want to express this? What is it? Oh, it's a totally fantastic japa.